You're watching India Today. I'm Akshita Nandagopal, and let's begin this broadcast with big breaking news coming in from battleground Uttar Pradesh. The BJP seems to have a clear-cut agenda for the upcoming elections. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now declared that, like Ayodhya and Varanasi, the cities of Mathura and Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh will also get a temple, and the work for the same is in progress. So a big statement by the UP Chief Minister there, and this comes weeks after Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya had made a similar pitch. Listen in first to exactly what Yogi said.
भव्य रूप से बन रहा है, आपने देख लिया ना। और फिर मथुरा वृंदावन कैसे छूट जाएगा। वहां पर भी काम भव्यता के साथ आगे बढ़ चुका है। हमने ब्रज तीर्थ विकास परिषद गठित करके वहां पर भी विकास कार्यों को एक नई गति देनी प्रारंभ कर दी है।
So that was the declaration by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. This has been a statement made by several BJP leaders, but perhaps for the first time you have the Chief Minister also backing the Mathura Mandir call. Abhishek Mishra is joining us live from Lucknow with more details on this. Abhishek, good morning. Very, very clear from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's statement as to exactly what the messaging is that the BJP intends to put across in the run-up to the UP elections.
Well, Akshita, the message is quite clear that the BJP leaders and including top leader CM Yogi Adityanath is very keen on the development of now Mathura and Vrindavan. And he spoke about how the BJP government earlier also promised about the Ayodhya. The Grand Temple is, is under construction. And then in Kashi Vishwanath corridor, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave away this whole corridor to the people. But this time it's all about Mathura and Vrindavan. And it looks like that just before the elections, this issue is going to take a further mileage now, because not only just the other leaders, but now CM himself has spoke about it. It looks like that the political agenda of Hindutva is on the platter for the party, and it looks like that near future as well, all the top leaders are going to be very vocal about it. But on the other hand, the opposition has been very, claiming it to be a political statement. They've always said that the BJP has done nothing else than giving such statement and, trying to polarize the situation. But at the same time, it looks like that now with CM Yogi Adityanath, clearly giving this message, making this particular statement in Farrukhabad, that now it is all about Mathura and Vrindavan, and they are all set to develop that particular area also as a biggest religious spot. Yes.
If in the previous election it was all about Ayodhya, that mission has been accomplished. So in this election now, the BJP is shifting its focus to Mathura, where there's been also this huge mandir call and chorus. Let's again listen into exactly what Yogi Adityanath said.
काशी में भगवान विश्वनाथ का धाम भी भव्य रूप से बन रहा है, आपने देख लिया ना। और फिर मथुरा वृंदावन कैसे छूट जाएगा। वहां पर भी काम भव्यता के साथ आगे बढ़ चुका है। हमने ब्रज तीर्थ विकास परिषद गठित करके वहां पर भी विकास कार्यों को एक नई गति देनी प्रारंभ कर दी है।
So that is the declaration by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And Abhishek, there have been these calls, this chorus growing for the last few months from several BJP leaders as well. But with the Chief Minister now making this comment, is the BJP going to actually mention an issue like the Mandir in Mathura in their manifesto perhaps?
Well, certainly, Akshita, with now CM Yogi Adityanath being very vocal about it, it looks like that in upcoming Sankalp Patra of BJP, this could be a big issue, because they were very keen on, this whole issue. We have seen how the Ayodhya and the temple issue was at the forefront, and CM Adityanath has been a flag bearer of this particular project. And this time, it has come into the view that how all the leaders are now one by one naming Mathura and Vrindavan, and the situation which looks like is going to be a very, benefiting the party eventually, because they got the benefit in 2017, getting all those sentiments on the ground. But this time with projecting Kashi and Mathura. And we're also getting to know that CM has also, spoken about not only just the temple construction, but also about the development of the city. And politically also, there is a significance to it. So it looks like that Mathura is going to be the next, center for the political discussion is concerned. And BJP is keen on projecting it as another Ayodhya. That's the only reason that one by one, all the top leaders are, advocating about it. And now with CM Adityanath clearly giving this message that it is in his priority, and is all set to make Mathura another Ayodhya. Yes.
A move to reclaim Krishna Janmabhoomi now, and this is clearly a movement that the BJP is taking forward. Was spoken about in hushed tones before, but now the BJP is declared to go all out with this declaration by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Abhishek, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Another big news break.